Well, the mayor says that no one from the Justice Department has reached out to him or anyone on his team about this case. Meanwhile, the head of the city legal department says it could start its own investigation.
I trust him, and I had no reason not to trust him.
Mayor Sylvester Turner says he was unaware that just one day before William Paul Thomas submitted his retirement letter, the longtime council liaison pleaded guilty to a federal bribery charge.
In the email, when he said that he had chosen to retire for medical reasons, I respected that.
Newly unsealed federal court documents allege Thomas used his high-level position and influence to help an unnamed Houston business owner in exchange for cash. The U.S. Justice Department says in May 2020, the business owner exchanged text messages and phone calls about the businessman's need for a temporary certificate of occupancy to pass inspection by the Houston Fire Marshal's office. The U.S. Attorney's Office says Thomas agreed to use his official position to exert pressure on other officials to pass the inspection and to issue the certificate in exchange for money. The feds say Thomas placed calls to the relevant Houston Fire Department official to ensure the company would pass fire inspection and get the certificate. In June 2020, the government alleges the business owner again asked for help from Thomas after TABC shut down his company for violating a COVID restriction prohibiting bars from operating. Restaurants could remain open under the regulation. The feds say the businessman asked Thomas to expedite a permit so his bar could reopen as a restaurant. In exchange, he would, quote, take care of Thomas really good. July 6, 2020, the businessman allegedly offered Thomas up to $13,000 to have that permit issued quickly so his bar could reopen. According to the indictment, Thomas agreed.
If any employee does anything wrong, contrary to policy and contrary to law, then it's wrong, and I don't condone it.
Now, in response to this news, Councilwoman Tiffany Thomas told KPRC2 she was, quote, heartbroken. Councilman Michael Kubosh said, quote, former housing director Tom McCaslin said that this mayor has created a culture of corruption. This is further evidence of the corruption, end quote. And County Commissioner Rodney Ellis said, quote, I'm shocked and disappointed. As a longtime friend, I'm praying for him and his family. Thomas is set to be sentenced in November. He could get up to 5 years in prison. Live at City Hall tonight, Sion Rhodes, KPRC 2 News.